What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. This time we're going to be looking at three separate case companies. Over here, these two are by the company Torras. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle, these are by MiraCase. And over here on the end, these two are from the company Schnail. They're all for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So let's get them on and let's check them out. So I'm actually going to be doing a fit test as well as a wireless charge test. So let's go ahead and get started. First set of cases we're going to be looking at are these from the company Torras. Now, if you look at these, this one is more of a minimalistic style, just a flexible TPU, while this one is your more hard, more sturdy TPU. It's going to give you more stability. It's going to give you more protection. Just the cover, more protection. Go ahead and drop my phone down in here. And boom, there we go. That's what it's going to look like. That's how your phone looks. You don't see much of that color because of the smoked out gray color on the back. Let's look at this camera. Looking at the camera, do we get that layer of protection? It's sitting, yep, it disappears. So the actual bumper around here protects from the camera. The cutout is right kind of flush with it, but the bumper protects. And then if you flip it over, looking at those edges, you get those nice raised edges. There we go, nice and protected on that end. And then all of our buttons match up over here on the side. Everything down bottom looks good. Actually open up the phone. Case still looks good. No issues whatsoever with that case. All right, there we go. That's one down. Let's get on to this next one. Dropping it in. Now this case is a very light case, very minimalistic. It's a little bit slick, a little bit slippery. Camera does sit down in that recess, and right there you do get a lip over the bottom that's going to protect. All of our cutouts down bottom look good, and buttons on the side match up, and they feel nice and tactile as well. Everything is a go with this. Wireless charge test. Wireless charge is on deck. So both of the Torras cases match up. They look good. They feel good. On this one, you get the folds in the back. It's going to give you a little bit of extra cushion if you drop it, but everything matches up, looks good, feels good, and wireless charging is a go as well. So now that we got that one out of the way, let's go ahead and knock this one down. This is from MiraCase. This is their clear style case, hard TPU on the back. Now, this one is not gonna yellow. It's guaranteed to not yellow over time. You have hard rubberized edges on it. You do get a lip right there along the edge, so no issues with that. Your camera sits down in a little bit of recess. It's right there at it, no issues. I don't see any problems with that one. And now the other cases. Now, this line of case I have actually seen before. It varies. It's similar to another style case. I'm not going to call any names out. Just let you know that it is very similar. All three of these are the same, so I'm just going to try one on. They're all from the exact same lineup. What I normally like to do is drop these in from the bottom when they're like that. And okay, make sure we get it all the way around. Now this one is more of an elegant style casing for the ladies, all the nice flashy colors. If you notice right here, you got this pink, this marble color, you got this purple, and then you actually got this blue sea looking color right here. All those are gonna be for the ladies. Guys, if you want to pick one of these up, feel free to do so, but I'm aiming this one at the ladies. Wireless charge is a go. No issues with this case. You got hard edges. You got a big nice lip right there that's going to protect that screen. And then the camera, the recess on that is not that deep, but the camera is hidden, so you're good to go in that aspect of protecting your camera. So over here on the end, now these are the same exact case from the company Schnail. This is a more sturdy, heavy duty. This thing does not bend, it does not give, it doesn't do any of that. It doesn't take any junk off of anybody. So let's do this. I'm putting this down, and it's not a heavyweight case either. To be so protective, you would think it would be a little bit more heavyweight. Has huge edges. These edges are going to protect. I mean, these edges are awesome. Love the edging. Protection and wireless charging is a go. Hard TPU backing, camera. Let's get this. Now, out of all these that I've shown you, this one houses the camera way better than all the rest of them. If you get a good look at that, you get a nice gap right there. So your camera is going to be well protected, no issues with the Schnail, but with Schnail, it goes all the way down in there. These buttons are nice and tactile on the side, and then you still get that huge lip on the edges. And like I said, it's still a minimalistic form factor on here. There's not a whole lot of flash, pizzazz, but it gets the job done. It's a nice protective case, has good grip, feels good in the hand, and it also offers that wireless charge. What more could you ask for? This is a great case by the company Schnail. So that's it, guys. Torras, MiraCase, Schnail, 3 separate case companies. All pretty decent cases. More protection over here, more flash in the middle. You got the clear right here, all clear, so you can still see your phone behind that, which is not going to yellow. So I like that about the clear case. And then over here with Torras, you get the harder shell right here. Not so much camera protection. You do get that protection, but it's just right there at that lip, and you still get the front protection. And this one is basically just a little bumper style TPU. It's good for the lightweight travel style person who doesn't want to be that bulky in your pocket. It's going to do really good on the go. So I'll drop links below to all these cases so you can check them out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.